Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to make your profile photo your cover photo on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open Facebook. Step 2. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, navigate to your profile by clicking on your name or profile picture. Step 3. Now, locate your profile photo and click on it to open it in a larger view. Step 4. In the top right corner of the photo, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 5. Then select Make Cover Photo. This will prompt a confirmation message. Step 6. Finally, click on Save to set your profile photo as your new cover photo. Congratulations, you've successfully made your profile photo your cover photo on Facebook using your PC. Now you can showcase your favorite moments or express yourself creatively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.